Hey everyone, I'm Sean Davis. In this video, I'm going to explain what happens after your organization signs up for the LiveGood Fundraising Program. After completing the registration process, the next step is to begin setting up and organizing your fundraiser. Start by making sure your organization's information is accurate. Review the name of the organization, the purpose of the fundraiser, and any other information connected to the account. Next, your organization can invite members, students, parents, volunteers, team members, and other participants to get involved. Participants can receive personalized fundraising links connected to the organization's fundraiser. These links allow qualifying orders to be tracked and credited to the correct organization. Before anyone begins sharing, make sure participants understand which link they should use and how the program works. The next step is to prepare a clear fundraising message. Explain what your organization is raising money for, why the funds are needed, and how the money will help. Include the correct fundraising link and give supporters a clear way to participate. Once everything is ready, participants can begin sharing their links with friends, relatives, co-workers, neighbors, social media followers, and other potential supporters. The links can be shared through social media, email, text messages, websites, newsletters, flyers, QR codes, and personal conversations. When customers place qualifying orders through those links, the organization can earn funds from the purchases. An organization can earn 20% from qualifying initial orders and 10% from qualifying recurring orders. This means the organization may continue earning when customers reorder through the fundraising program. However, earnings are not guaranteed and depend on the qualifying orders generated. After the fundraiser begins, the organization can use its dashboard to monitor sales and track its progress. This information can help the organization see how the fundraiser is performing, recognize active participants, provide updates, and decide where additional promotion may be needed. Continue communicating with participants throughout the fundraiser. Remind them to share consistently, answer their questions accurately, and thank them for their efforts. You can also provide supporters with updates about the cause and the progress being made. This can help maintain interest and remind people why their support matters. To summarize, after signing up, your organization can invite participants, provide personalized fundraising links, prepare its fundraising message, begin sharing, track qualifying orders through the dashboard, and continue promoting the cause. Signing up creates the fundraiser, but participation, communication, and consistent sharing help move it forward. To learn more about the LiveGood Fundraising Program and get started, visit fundraiselivegood.com or click on the link in the description below this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.